In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make a plank pallet to store grass planks in Grounded 2. So I'm going to show you because you need to actually firstly analyze this right here, the dry grass chunk here. So when you actually analyze that, we're going to now go back and we can now start building it. So I'm just going to click on the B button on my keyboard and you can see I'm now taken here. So let's see where it is actually. I'm going to just scroll here to be able to find it. And this is the garden patch. So this is not it. I'm just going to keep scrolling here. This is, oh, here it is. As you can see, this is the plank palette here. So we can just click on it. Then we can just place it right here. And we need actually 4 crude ropes, 5 pebblets, and 3 dry grass here, as you can see. Let's see if I can actually create, create some of this also here. Okay, it's one. Yeah, I mean basically done here, as you can see, and that is exactly how to do this.